Hello, English Go-Getter. Today's quiz is all about spelling names in English. Now, before we start the quiz, let's do a quick review of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And now the instructions. First, you're going to listen, then choose the correct answer. Now remember, you have 10 seconds and then the answer will appear. Are you ready to get started?
Yes!
Okay, English Go-Getter, let's do it. 1. M-A-R-I-A. M-A-R-I-A. The correct answer is letter A, Maria. 2. A-N-N-A. A-N-N-A. And the correct answer is letter C, Anna. 3. P-E-T-E-R. P-E-T-E-R. The correct answer is letter B, Peter. Number 4, J-O-H-N. J-O-H-N. The correct answer is letter C, John. Question 5, S-A-R-A. S-A-R-A. And the correct answer is letter A, Sarah. Question 6, D-A-V-I-D. D-A-V-I-D. The correct answer is letter C, David. Question 7, L-U-C-A-S. L-U-C-A-S. And the correct answer is letter B, Lucas. Question 8, M-A-R-K. M-A-R-K. And the correct answer is letter A, Mark. Hey, English Go-Getter, you're halfway there. Keep going.
Hooray!
Question 9, L-I-S-A. L-I-S-A. And the correct answer is letter B, Lisa. Question 10, T-O-M. T-O-M. And the correct answer is letter C, Tom. Question 12, E-M-M-A. E-M-M-A. And the correct answer is letter B, Emma. Question 12, K-A-T-E. K-A-T-E. And the correct answer is letter A, Kate. Question 13, N-O-A-H. N-O-A-H. The correct answer is letter C, Noah. 14, O-L-I-V-I-A. O-L-I-V-I-A. And the correct answer is letter B, Olivia. Question 15, J-A-M-E-S. J-A-M-E-S. And the correct answer is letter A, James. Bonus question, C-H-R-I-S-T-O-P-H-E-R. C-H-R-I-S-T-O-P-H-E-R. And the correct answer is letter C, Christopher. Great job, English Go-Getter. You've finished the quiz. Time to celebrate. And how did you do, English Go-Getter? Write your score in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoy this type of content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.